Well, Grandma, are y'all moved in?
No, not even.
Hey guys, long time no vlog. Seriously, I don't even remember when the last time was that I filmed a day on the life. So it's high time I would fill you in on what's happening. I'm actually at home by myself right now. It's a Friday morning, which that's very rare that I'm at home alone. But I have a couple hours. I need to really get some work done on my videos and stuff. But my parents are actually here, and my sister Erica, and my cousin is here already. And then the rest of the extended family is coming this weekend sometime. They're not all like staying at our place or anything, but they're gonna be around for vacation and stuff. So definitely the month of March is gonna be filled with family. The plan for the day is I'm gonna take my sister and cousin to the beach. I thought about just dropping them off, but by the time I figure in all of the driving time to drop them off, come home or to mom and dad or wherever and go back and get them, there's a lot of time spent on the road just because of all the tourists around here. It's crazy right now. Peak spring break tourist season. So even if it's not that far to the beach, it takes a while to get there. So I decided I'll just go with them. I mean, why not? It's rare to do this on a Friday, so I'm just gonna take the day off and go with them for a couple hours, and then we're gonna be going to maybe help mom and dad and grandpa's. They actually bought a house in Pinecraft, well, close to Pinecraft, but it's more or less an investment. But they wanted a place for when they come like next winter and stuff. My grandpas really love it, and so they're, you know, snowbirds. They don't live here permanently, but that way they have a place for next year and for the family, and mom and dad are also in partnership with the house and stuff. So, and then today they're gonna move over some stuff from the other place they were staying at. They don't have a lot of things, you know, but what they've had for the winter and that type of thing, they're trying to kind of buy some things to help the place. It's gonna need a lot of work, but it's moving. I mean, like, you can live in it and everything. I think they had been renting it out before to some people, but it's pretty cruddy. Like, it needs some attention, but they can definitely move in as far as just, you know, how it is. It's just not very pretty, let's put it that way. It needs some help. I don't know if I'll do a lot of updates because obviously they don't live here then in the summer, so, you know, not a lot will happen when they're not here. But I just thought you might find it interesting. I'll show you guys a little tour of the place. Yeah, I'm kind of ready already to go, but I need to get some work done on my videos first and then head out the door. So I just thought I'd take you guys along today. Only Toby is here keeping me company. Right, Tobe? You even got to come all the way to Florida. You're a spoiled little puppy. For those of you curious, he is a Pouton, a poodle mixed with a Coton. He used to be our dog back before we had kids, but my parents bought him from us and he's been there. So he's pretty much a family member. I finally bought a big floppy hat, but I actually didn't have to pick up the girls after all because my sister Kara is bringing them, and then I'll take them home. But they're almost here. I was getting a little panicky about the parking here. It's not full yet, but it was starting to fill up really fast, so hopefully they can find a spot here in the access. But it's just a gorgeous day. Well, there's Grandpa.
Thing.
Well, I saw some water balloons out there.
Yeah, this is the water balloon thing.
Wow. Where'd you get it?
Oh, well, it was at a yard sale.
Really?
You know what else I saw?
What?
Motor scooter.
No way.
It was electric.
Wow. Hi, Jax.
Did you put the bulb back on?
No, I don't think we did anything with
Mom,
it. Yeah?
Jackie. Oh, Dad fixed it. Oh my goodness.
He did?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Alright, so this is going to be pretty messy, but this is when you come in the front door. So they're just kind of getting moved in. A lot of their furniture just stayed in this house, so what you see is mostly what was here. So I'm not sure if this is going to be dining room yet or living room. They weren't sure, but here's a hallway, comes back. Currently there's only one bathroom here right now, and so they want to put in another one eventually, but it's a lot harder to add stuff to houses down here just because of all the picky codes and everything. So and then back here is one bedroom, and here is another bedroom. Kind of goes around the corner here. It's kind of dark in here. I'll spin around a little bit. Well, Grandma, are y'all moved in?
No, not even.
Not even. Okay. So here's a little bit of the kitchen. Try to get the layout here for you. Yeah, trying to make sense of some things here. And then here is a nice area as well. So they thought this could also work as a living room or dining room, sitting room maybe, but then you have a nice backyard in the back that goes out here, and they're back there trying to get some bed frames. So spinning around here again, this is looking into the kitchen, and here's a little closet laundry area that they think they might turn into a bathroom at some point, not right away, but then this is actually an addition. I'm pretty sure it used to be a garage because I've seen these types of things before. There's an outside door, and also this used to be like, yeah, the garage door, but they made it into a closet, so I think that will probably be knocked down at some point, I'm guessing, but yeah, this is gonna be a bedroom. So we're just over here at the other place and trying to load up stuff and taking it over to the new place. Trying to get a little bit of work done today. I'll actually be a little productive maybe. Okay, so we're trying to make sense of the kitchen a little bit. I just kind of got back. We were trying to bring all the stuff over, and so things are a little bit chaotic here. Oh, there's Mom. So I'm gonna let you guys just kind of watch the goings on. Probably won't do a lot of talking, but we're just gonna see if we can make some order here in the kitchen. Okay, so we're making a quick run to Dollar Tree because we need some bins for the pantry. It just would work better, so we're gonna see what Dollar Tree has here, and hopefully we can help it be a little bit more organized. Not the best selection. I was hoping for some of the rectangle ones. Need to peruse a few aisles, I think. Okay, well they have this kind. These aren't very sturdy, but it might work for snacks. These two could work, maybe. kitchen looks a ton better. And this is the pantry. It's not even full at this point, but I just put some of these in here. Got some like jello, puddings, cake mix type of stuff, sugar, stevia, and there's like pastas and I don't know, that kind of thing. Sorry, it's really dark in here. And this is bread. Then we have like some of her canned goods and stuff over here. So they're all pretty tired. What are you waiting on, Tobe? What are you doing, Tobe? Come out here, Tobe.
There you go. Will you stay here?
Guys, watch out.
Fresh from Emma's Pizza. What kind is this?
Chicken bacon ranch.
And a meat lovers. The Pine Crafter? Okay, this is the Pine Crafter.
Mom,
What?
what is this?
You can have this maybe.
Oh, chocolate. Hunger.
No, it's not chocolate. Chocolate pizza? I don't think so. What do you think, guys? Is it pretty good? You don't like it. How typical. Did you know, guys, my boys aren't really big pizza fans. Isn't that a little weird? What children don't like pizza? The girls are being pickier over here.
OCD problems over here.
It's the same product. This is the same as that plate over there. But they think they need to eat out of the pan.
Because it looks better.
Come on, people.
All about presentation.
That's right.
So I never finished vlogging yesterday. We got home later in the evening and yeah, so it's actually Saturday noon-ish already and we were just doing some different things this morning. We're up at Nick's boss place a little bit and I had to run a Target for something. And I think this afternoon the boys are actually gonna go with my dad to the cat habitat. And me and Erica and Martina are probably gonna go shopping a little bit this afternoon. The rest of the family isn't coming as early as we thought. And so we might be doing that. I don't know how much I'm gonna film, but I don't know if I had enough footage from yesterday. So I figured I'll just add on a little bit today and kind of, I don't know, turn it into a weekend type of thing. So that's kind of what's been going on. Just pretty chill Saturday. These water balloons have been entertaining the boys a lot. They found them at a yard sale yesterday. Grandma bought them for them, and, yeah, for my mom.
That would go in like that. And maybe go.
Now what? That doesn't make sense. What are you gonna do, Jackie?
My big butt.
So we've been out shopping some today. How was the cat habitat?
Yay!
What all did you see?
Tigers
Tigers? What else? Lions.
and bears.
Wow.
I think there was one what was
A bear at a cat habitat? What? Did you pet an alligator? Wow,
They
that
taped
is
them out.
cool.
They taped them off like this.
Oh, they taped it shut. Well, that was good. We wouldn't want the alligator to bite us.
Yeah, don't bite my head.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something.
What?
We caught some binoculars and we're trying to wind.
You did?
Yeah.
Kaden, why did you do that?
Grandpa said, well, they don't work. They do work.
No, Grandpa knows. He's the binocular expert, remember? Yep. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. Yesterday, I really didn't vlog much, just getting ready to go to church. Kind of got a little bit of a, you know, a little bit of less sleep. Maybe than normal, not quite.
I got these.
What?
These, cause I got these, cause the other ones, they were like flopping around and everything on my.
Well, I thought they're getting small.
No.
No.
They're getting like.
You're gonna wear those. Okay.
Cause
You still haven't done your hair though.
I know.
Gotta do your hair.
I don't want to do my hair.
You don't want to do your hair. Well, you should though. So we're just getting ready to head out the door and go to church. And then after that, I'm not sure yet. I don't even have plans made for lunch. Guess we could go over to Grandpa's for lunch, but I don't think we will. So probably be hanging out with family later on and stuff. But just thought I would check in with you guys.
This is my story, this is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story, this is my song, praising my Savior all the day long.
But for the grace of Jesus Christ, we today can be free. And we can be set free and redeemed and cleansed and made whole by the blood of Jesus Christ. And we can become, because we have experienced that grace from Jesus Christ, we should become disciples of grace and extend grace to each other and to even the world. What I'm going to tell you this morning is probably something that all of you know, but I want to remind you, okay, if that's okay. I have 4 things that I'd like to say, and I read this passage for a purpose. When the Apostle Paul wrote Galatians, he didn't put verses in it. So, disciples of grace live in the Spirit. Disciples of grace walk in the Spirit. Disciples of grace produce the works of the fruit of the Spirit. Disciples of grace do not walk in the flesh. Disciples of grace are led by the Spirit. And disciples of grace are relational.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the vlog this weekend. It turned into kind of just a whole weekend vlog, but I thought you might enjoy a little snippet from church and stuff this morning. Bill Mullet was actually preaching. He's from Holmes County, so I know that a lot of my Mennonite friends will know who I'm talking about. And yeah, it was a very thought-provoking sermon, especially just realizing how much grace I have received in my life, undeserved. Like, Jesus gives us so much grace, and how much grace do I give to other people? How much grace do I show to my family? How much grace do I show to even people who I don't know? We as disciples of Jesus are supposed to be full of grace and mercy and compassion, and I fail in this a lot. And I just challenge you guys as well, maybe even especially influencers and stuff. Just remember to show grace this week or today, wherever you are. It's just a challenge for me to not try and always make snap judgments, and to just be compassionate, and to just, yeah, stay strong, be faithful, and love each other. Alright guys, thank you so much for tagging along this weekend. I will see you next time. Bye!